English by screen, lesson 1.
Kwigira icyongereza kuri ekara, isomo rya mbere.
Topic 1.
Igika cya mbere.
Infinitives.
Inshinga mu mbundo.
Dear John, here are some new words to retain.
Shuti yanjye Yohana, hano hari amagambo mashya yo gufata mu mutwe.
Which ones?
Ni ayahe?
They are infinitives.
Ni inshinga.
Examples of infinitives.
Ingero z'inshinga.
To look.
Kwitegereza.
Look at the blackboard, please.
Reba ku kibaho cya mwarimu nyamuneka.
To go.
Kujya.
It's important to go to school.
Kujya ku ishuri ni ingenzi.
To come.
Kuza.
Charles, come here.
Karoli, ngwino hano.
To tell.
Kubwira.
Can you tell me a story?
Ushobora kumbarira inkuru.
To speak.
Kuvuga.
Try to speak loudly, Peter.
Gerageza kuvuga cyane Petero.
To listen.
Kumva.
Mary is listening to the radio.
Maria arimo arumva radiyo.
To sit.
Kwicara.
The man is sitting under the tree.
Umugabo yicaye munsi y'igiti.
To wake up.
Gukanguka cyangwa kubyuka.
It's good to wake up early.
Ni byiza kubyuka kare.
To buy.
Kugura.
My father wants to buy a new car.
Data arashaka kugura imodoka nshya.
To give.
Guha.
If you succeed, your cousin will give you a gift.
Nuramuka utsinze, mubyara wawe azaguha impano.
To show.
Kwereka.
Can you show me the road to Kigali?
Ushobora kunyereka umuhanda ujya i Kigali?
Thank you, John.
Urakoze Yohana.
Not at all.
Urakoze nawe.
Lesson 1, Topic 2.
Isomo rya mbere, igika cya kabiri.
The present continuous.
Indagi ikomeza.
I'm looking.
Ndimo nditegereza.
I'm looking at the blackboard.
Nditegereza ikibaho cya mwarimu.
You are breathing.
Urubaka.
You are building a house.
Urubaka inzu.
He's bleeding.
Arava amaraso.
The soldier is bleeding.
Umusirikari arava amaraso.
She's wearing.
Yambaye.
My sister is wearing a red hat.
Mushiki wanjye yambaye ingofero itukura.
It's standing.
Ihagaze.
The dog is standing near the wall.
Imbwa ihagaze iruhande rw'igikuta.
We are cooking.
Dutetse.
We are cooking chips.
Turimo turateka ifiriti.
You are putting.
Murimo murashyira.
You are putting books on the table.
Murashyira ibitabo ku meza.
They are running.
Bariruka.
The players are running on the playground.
Abakinnyi barimo barirukanka mu kibuga.
Remark.
Icyitonderwa.